So hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to execute your TCP socket program and UDP socket program. Okay, so first we will see how to execute your UDP program, socket program. So for that you need two terminals, and remember that whenever you run these two programs you have to run your receiver first. So in case of UDP, you need to run D receiver program first, and in case of TCP, you need to run TCP server first. Okay, so why I already explained all those things. Okay, so now let us see how to execute your UDP socket programming. So just I open one terminal, and here first I'll show you the program VI D receiver .java. So this is your program. Okay, D receiver program. So that means what? UDP receiver program. So how to save your program? Press escape:WQ. Press enter. Then you will come back to terminal. Now you need to run your Java program. So what is the command? Java C space D receiver dot Java. I don't have any error in my program. So now I need to run my program. Java space D receiver. I'll press enter. So this receiver indicates what? It is just a print statement. It is indicating that it is receiver. This terminal is dedicated to receiver. And to run sender, I just open one more terminal and I run my program. And before that, check the program. So this is your D sender program. So I am pressing escape:WQ. Then I am compiling my code. Java C space D sender dot Java. Then here I am running my code. Java space D sender. So it is indicating this terminal is dedicated to sender, and here it is asking for the input. That means it is asking for some message. So now you just check here. This is your receiver and this is sender, and here I am typing my message. Here I am giving my input. Okay, so VVC Mysuru. I'll press enter. So see here at the receiver end I am getting the same message. Okay, and again I'll type some number. I press enter. Same thing I am getting here. I press some special characters. I press enter. Same thing I am getting here. So you can give anything you want. Space or enter, anything. Okay, press enter. So whatever you are giving at the sender side, you are getting the same thing at the receiver end also. So how to end this? How to stop this? So just press Ctrl Z or Ctrl C. Okay, again just type something. You won't get that this one you won't get in receiver end. Okay, so you get this something like command not found. So again I have to give the input. So how to give? Compile your program, run your program. Okay, now enter some message. Again I will type 1 2 3 4 5. Press enter. See here, you are getting again. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. Press enter, you are getting again. Okay, so this is how you need to run your program, UDP socket programming, and make sure that you have to run this D receiver first. Okay, then you have to compile your D sender. So this is how you should run your UDP socket programming. So now we will see how to run TCP client socket program. So here also we need two terminals to run client and server program. One terminal is dedicated to client program, TCP client program, and another terminal is dedicated to TCP server program. And here also you need to run your TCP server program first. Okay, so just see here, vi space TCP server dot java. So this is my program. Okay, which program? TCP server program, and make sure that you have to run this file first. So escape :wq. So compile this program. How to compile? Java C space TCP server dot java. Enter. I don't have any errors. Run your program. Java space TCP server. See here, server waiting for client. So this is what your server, and it is waiting for client request or some packet from client. Okay, and now I'll open one more terminal here, and I'm just opening the client program. Vi space TCP client dot java. So this is your TCP client program. Escape :wq. Now I am compiling this program. Java C space TCP client dot java. Again I need to run my program. Java space TCP client. So you can see here, so client connected to server. That means what? It is client and it has already connected to server. And here enter the file name to request. That means what? From client end you have to request for a file, okay, from server. So just observe both the screen here, both the terminal. So this is what? Your server, and this is what? Client. Here I am just giving some random file name. So b.text. Okay, I am requesting for this file. What is that? b.text. I'll press enter. See here, I am getting file doesn't exist. Okay, in the client end. That means what? I don't have this text file in my system. And also check here. So file requested is b.text. That means what? So whatever you gave here, okay, b.text, same thing is displayed here. Okay, now run once again, no errors. Run your program. See, something we are getting here. What is this? Some exception we are getting. connection refused. That means what? It is some sort of exception. And we know that this exception comes under runtime error. See here, I compiled my program, but I did not get any errors here, any error message, something like that. But I run my program, then I got this message. So what is this? This is an exception. So what you have to do now? So just you have to clear everything. Okay, and here also clear everything. Compile your server program again. Run your program again now. Okay, here server is waiting. So here also at the client end you have to compile and run once again. So enter the file name now. So let me check with one more file, abc.txt. See, something I'm getting here, vvc space Mysuru. What is this? So this is the content what I have within this file. That means what? Within abc.txt I have this content, vvce space Mysuru. Okay, so this is in case of your client end. But check it, this TCP server end. So file requested is what? abc.txt. File sent successfully. That means what? It has sent the file and also whatever the content that file contains. So abc contains vvce space Mysuru. You can just check here, vi space abc.txt. See here, so this is the content what I have. Okay, again I will type something here. I just type here Mysuru 57. Okay, here I type 570002. Okay, I save this, escape : WQ. Okay, now what you have to do, again here you cannot just give the input. What you have to do, again you have to go back and compile this program, server program. Okay, clear, compile, run, server is waiting, compile your client program, run your client program. Now give abc.txt. See, vvce space Mysuru space whatever the number I entered, same thing I am getting here. Okay, that means what? You are receiving the content of this abc.txt. Okay, so this is the second case, and the first case was what? What was that? File not found. Okay, then one more case we need to check. What is that? File is empty. So here I'll create one file, vi space b.txt. I create. So nothing I have entered here, just I'll save this, escape : WQ. Okay, so can I directly run here? No, I'll get exception, connection refused. So again what I have to do, clear, here also clear, compile again, server is waiting, compile, run. So what is that file? b.txt. See, now you are getting the third case, that is file is empty. So here you are getting what? b.text, and it is sending this file, that is b.text, and it is displaying a message, file sent successfully. But in this file, in this b.text file, I don't have any content. Okay, so at the client end I am getting this message, that is file is empty. Okay, so this is how you need to check your TCP socket programming for 3 cases. Okay, that's it.